Hi friends, once again I welcome you guys to the Make It Simple YouTube channel. This is continuation to my previous video which is learning about Python. If you didn't go through my previous video, just go through it and come back to this video. I have given the video link in the description section. In this video, we will learn about Python string. Let's get into the demo. Here already I created a file with strings.python and I just adding some variables over here. Already I mentioned we can use both single quotes or double quotes when specifying the string, but there are some specific times you have to use the specific form, otherwise you are going into the issues. Let's see an example. I'm just running this one and it will get printed Python for beginners over here. Now I will change the string from here like Python to Pythons. Let's see what will happen. Of course it will throw an error. Why? Means Python doesn't know how to interpret, because it starts from here and it will think like it will end it over here itself in the first apostrophe itself. All the characters after the second apostrophe, Python interpreter doesn't know what they are. So to solve this problem, we need to use double quotes only, like this. And if I run it over here, it will work fine. So what you have to do is like there are some cases when to use single quotes or double quotes as a string. For example, the another case is like I'm just giving this Python and I want this beginners to print along with the double quotes. Let's see here. If I give like this, it will throw an error. Definitely it will throw an error. In this scenario, we need to use single quotes like here. Single quotes. If I execute over here, it will print with the beginners alone in double quotes. So these are some cases when to use single quotes and double quotes as a string. Suppose if you want to print multiple lines, at the time what you have to do is like you need to use three quotes. Like for example, data equal to, I want to print, I want to execute, or I want to give multiple statements, means you can use three single quotes or three double quotes. Inside this you can type anything over here, just data like this. So with this you can able to execute the multiple lines. Let's see other characteristics of string using the simple example, this one. Suppose I want to get some particular characters from the string, like I want to get like this P or Y or something, or some set of characters. Means how we can do is like we can get it by using the index of a string. For that what you have to do is like you can use square bracket here like this. And suppose if you type 0, means what will do is like it will take the first character of the string. Let's see what happened if I'm printing it, running it over here. It will take the first characters. In other words, what I can do is like how this Python will work is like this. The index will always start with 0 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then goes on. So if I am giving 0, means it will take the first character P. And what about the end character or negative string? We can also give negative index also, like -1. And this is one of the feature that we don't have in other programming language also. So with the negative index we can get the characters starting from the end. Now what I'm doing is like I'm just removing the double quotes. Suppose I am giving -1, means it will start from the end, so the S will get printed. See here, the S will get printed. Now I want to get some group of characters like from the start to end. What we can do is like we can give the start and end index, like assuming like 0 is the start index, and you can give negative index also. For example, what I'm doing is like I'm giving 0 is to 3. So 0 is the start index and 3 is the end index. Now what will happen is like starting in the index, like it will start from the 0 index and all the way to second index, but it doesn't return the character at the end index. Let's see what is happening. It is taking 0 Python pyt itself. For visualization purpose, I will give you like this one, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm just giving like this. What will happen is like it will start from the index 0. It will start from the index 0 all the way to the index 3, but it will exclude that character. So that's what it's printing pyt, not h. And we have the default value for the start and end index and all. Suppose if you're not giving the default, if you're not giving the start index, what it will do is like it will take the first character. Let's see what is happening over here. See here, it will take the Python will returns all the characters to the end from the first to the end. So let's see what is happening over here if you are not giving the end index. Suppose I am giving 0, not the end index, the default value. So Python will return all the characters to the end of the string. Let's see, it is returning all the characters. And suppose if I am giving 1 means it will start from the 1 and it will exclude the first character and it will return everything. Let's see. See here, it is omitting the 0th index and will taking from over here. Similarly, we have the default value for both start and end index. So in this video, we have seen about the square bracket syntax, and it is pretty much important when we are making use of strings in Python. So with this syntax, we can basically copy or clone the string. For example, what we can do is like I'm just giving another variable, like another equal to sample data of, just giving like this sample data, or I'm just giving colon. I don't have both start and end index. Let's see what's happening over here. I'm just giving copy. I'm just printing this another variable. Let's see. See here, if I'm not giving the start index means the default value will be 0 and end index means at the end of the characters. So it is getting printed and it will be copy or cloning the string to the another variable. So in this video, we have seen about this strings and what are some characteristics of strings with this. If you have any doubts on implementing this, let's add it in the comment section. I'll be very happy to help you guys. Thank you.